Hey, it's LSFT here today, and today we're here to talk about brake hold. So what is brake hold? Brake hold is when the feature is activated, you can release your foot from the brake and the car will continuously hold on to the brake so that you do not need to step onto the brake pedal and your car will still be holding the brake until you move on. What will happen is when you turn it on, you see this green icon on your dash, which means the feature has been activated. So this brake hold function disables when you open your door or when you take off your seatbelt. So you see I open my door, the brake hold function turned off. I go turn it back on. I take my seatbelt off. You see that it disengages the brake hold function. So now I'm going to be putting the car into drive. And now you see here that the brake hold light has turned on. The yellow light has turned on. So right now I'm releasing my foot off the brake, and you see that the car is holding on to the brake. So now when I press onto the gas pedal, the vehicle has started to move. So that is the basics of brake hold. It holds the brake while you are in a standstill and being able to keep the car not with the brakes pressed. There are some caveats here where if you're on a steep decline, it's possible that the hold is not strong enough and the car will roll. And also if you're on ice, like there's no guarantee that the brake hold will keep you standstill. Okay, now I slow down to 0 and you see that the brake hold light is turned on. You see here that the car stopped and now I'm releasing my brake. As we fast forward this video, this typically is about 3 minutes time, and this won't happen when you're at a red light, but most likely when you're stopped at a railroad road waiting for trains to pass by, and then you can press onto the brake hold and wait, and then you'll have to action every 3 minutes. I press on the brake again, and I hold on to the brake hold again. If you don't, the parking brake will engage. This time we're not going to step on the brake again, and we're going to let the electronic brake engage. So it tells you to press on the brake, and if you don't, it does say that the electric parking brake automatically applied. So you see that red parking brake has been applied. So now brake hold is off. And how do you now get out of this? So one option is to go and press onto the brake and press onto the parking brake. And you go here, step on the brake, and then press that, and then brake hold will resume. Or if you need to go somewhere, all you need to do is press on the gas pedal, and then your car will start moving. So when you stop it, brake hold turn light comes on, you can release your leg off the pedal and the car will stop and hold on to the brake. Step on the gas and the vehicle will start to continue to move. Step on the brake. You get the point. If you like these videos, click on that subscribe button, comment, like, and share these videos. YouTube's telling me that 90% of the people watching my videos don't subscribe, so please subscribe. That'll be helpful for me to build more videos so that you can enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cheers.